Welcome to your camera transformation. Hey there. Welcome to what could change everything about your motion design work. I'm going to teach you the exact same camera techniques that top designers use every single day. This isn't just another quick tutorial. This is a complete masterclass that will turn you into a camera expert. By the time we're done, you'll create smooth professional camera movements that look incredible. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now. Why? Because this kind of detailed training takes me weeks to prepare, and your subscription helps me create more content like this. Plus, it tells me you're serious about learning these skills. Ready? Let's dive in and make you a camera master. Part 1. Setting up your camera the right way. Getting started. When you create a new camera in After Effects, you have some important choices to make. Go to Layer, New, Camera, or just press Command-Option-Shift-C on Mac. Choosing your camera type. You'll see two options, one node and two node cameras. Think of it like this. One node camera like holding a camera in your hands and turning around. Two node camera like a camera on a tripod that always points at something specific. Neither choice is wrong. Pick what feels natural to you. You can always change it later as you work on your project. Camera presets made simple. Those preset options aren't just random numbers. They copy real camera lenses. Here's what you need to know. 15mm preset, super wide view, shows lots of the scene. 80mm preset, narrow view, focuses on specific details. Each preset automatically sets up your camera with realistic settings. It's like having a professional camera kit ready to go. Part 2. Moving around your 3D scene using multiple views. Here's a game changer. After Effects lets you see your scene from multiple angles at once. Try the 4 views layout. It's like having 4 monitors showing different angles of your work. This isn't just cool to look at. It's essential for creating good camera movements. You can see exactly where your camera is and where it's going. The secret view settings. Use the 3D view pop-up to see your scene from the front, top, side, or any custom angle. Professional tip, always keep one view showing the big picture so you never get lost in your scene. Switching between cameras. You can have multiple cameras in one project and switch between them. It's like being a film director with multiple camera operators. When your timeline reaches a new camera, After Effects automatically switches to that view. Part 3. Making your camera move. Basic animation. Every part of your camera can be animated. Click the little stopwatch next to any property, move forward in time, change that property, and boom, your camera moves. Getting more control. Want even more control? Right-click on Position and choose separate dimensions. Now you can control X, Y, and Z movements independently. It's like having 3 separate remote controls for different types of movement, creating smooth paths. When your camera moves between points, it follows a path. By default, this path is a straight line, but you can make it curved and smooth. Use the pen tool and select Convert Vertex tool. Click and drag on any movement point to add curves. This makes your camera movement feel natural instead of robotic. Auto Orient magic. Turn on Auto Orient layer, transform Auto Orient, and your camera will automatically face forward along its path. It's like having an invisible camera operator always pointing the camera in the right direction. Part 4. Perfect timing for smooth movement. Making movement feel natural. Raw camera animation often feels mechanical and jarring. The fix? Easy ease. Select your movement points and go to Animation, Keyframe Assistant, Easy ease. This makes your camera start slowly, speed up, then slow down at the end, just like real camera movements. No more robot-like motion. Fine-tuning your speed. Open the graph editor to see your movement as curves instead of straight lines. You can adjust these curves to make your camera speed up or slow down exactly how you want. Part 5. Advanced camera control. Camera rigs for complex movement. Want to create really impressive camera moves? Use null objects as camera rigs. With your camera selected, go to Layer, Camera, Create Orbit Null. Now your camera is attached to an invisible control point. You can animate both the camera and the control point for complex professional movements that would be impossible otherwise. Adding realistic camera shake. Real cameras shake slightly when held by humans. Add this to your camera by alt-clicking on Position and typing Wiggle 525. This adds subtle shake that makes your animation feel more natural and less computer-generated. Advanced shake control. For even more control, create a null object and add Effect, Expression Controls, Slider Control twice. Rename them Frequency and Amplitude. Then connect your wiggle expression to these sliders so you can control the shake in real time. Part 6. Making it look real. Motion blur for realism. Computer animation can look too sharp and fake. Motion blur fixes this by simulating how real cameras capture movements. Enable the motion blur switches in your timeline, then click the motion blur button. Advanced blur settings. Go to Composition Settings, Advanced to fine-tune your motion blur. Adjust these settings until your movement looks natural and realistic. Depth of field. Professional focus control. This is what separates amateur work from professional results. Depth of field makes some parts of your image sharp while others are beautifully blurred. Enable it in your camera settings and adjust. Focus distance equals what stays sharp. Aperture equals how much blur you get. Blur level equals how strong the blur effect is. Smart focus tricks. Use the preset expressions under Layer, Camera. Link focus to point of interest equals camera always focuses on its target. Link focus distance to layer equals camera automatically focuses on any object you choose. Part 7. Camera options that matter. Essential camera controls. Zoom makes things appear closer or farther away, just like a real camera. Depth of field brings parts of your image in and out of focus for a cinematic look. Keep the iris shape set to fast rectangle. It renders quickly and looks great. The other options are slower and usually not worth it. Highlight controls. Adjust how bright out of focus areas look. Start with the defaults and only adjust if you need something specific. Your path to camera mastery. Congratulations, you now know the same camera techniques used by professional motion designers every day. But learning is just the first step. Practice is what makes you great. Here's what I need from you. If this masterclass helped you understand 3D cameras better, subscribe to this channel right now and hit the notification bell. Your support directly helps me create more detailed training like this. The big question. I'm planning an even more advanced camera series covering cinematic storytelling, client presentation techniques, and real-world project workflows. But I only make it if there's enough interest. Comment camera mastery below if you want me to create the advanced series. If I see enough comments, I'll start working on it immediately. Tell me, what camera technique do you want to master next? I read every comment and use your feedback to plan future masterclasses. Remember, the difference between good and great motion designers is mastering these fundamental tools. You have the knowledge now. The question is, will you practice and apply it? Keep learning and creating. This masterclass gave you professional level